Hello, where are you from? I'm from Lahore, but I live in Karachi. Can I ask about your family? Sure, why not? Okay, do you have any brothers or sisters? Yeah, I have an older brother and a younger sister. How older are they? My brother is 33 and my sister is 12. I see. And which year were you born? In 1991. What about you? I was born in 1991 too. Do you have any brothers or sisters? No, I am an only child. When is your birthday? March 31st. When is yours? June 11th. You are 3 months older than me. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. What do you do? I am a student. Are you married? No, I am not married. How long have you been here? About 2 years. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. And you? I speak 3 languages. What's your plan in future? After completing inter, I will take admission in MBBS. Are you want to become a doctor? Yes, definitely. That's nice job. Thanks. What about yours plan? I want to become a teacher. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.